Owens Corning SSL2 with ASJ Max fiberglass pipe insulation is the complete package, providing a double adhesive closure system, a polymer film surface, and offering both rigid and flexible insulation to fit your needs. To fabricate around pipe fittings, you will need to fillet your rigid core insulation. Make 2 cuts in the insulation at the width of your fitting. Then select the thickness you want from the inside or outside and pull it out. This process is the same for both sides of the rigid core insulation. For our flex core insulation, the process is slightly different because of how the insulation is molded. Make 2 cuts in the insulation at the width of your fitting. Then, slice between the 2 cuts at the outside of the insulation. Select the thickness you want and pull the insulation from the interior. This process is the same for both sides of the flex core insulation.